We're the National Hardware Show, checking out some of the cool things. That brought me to the Playwood.it booth. This is a little connecting device. Check it out here. That allow you to create a variety of different storage options out of plywood. A sheet of plywood is fairly inexpensive yet, and you can go and rip that a little bit, and you can create with these little brackets. Just check out, you've got shelving and such. Each one of these little brackets, once snugged in. So what it is you've seen the back of the bracket here, and the inside of it there, and you basically take the tool and tighten it up, your little hex wrench, tighten it up, and it will hold 440 pounds per bracket. So when you're using it for a shelf like they're using it there, or where the laptop is, it's going to easily handle the weight of the laptop all day long and give you kind of a cool little look to your storage or your workspace, whatever you want to do with it. Now there's 3 different versions. I'm going to back up here. There's 3 different versions, or I should say degree angles. You've got your 90 degree here, and then it's 105 degree, and then 150 degree. Again, for creating some different unique looks. Colors, you can get a variety of different colors. And these are available online, by the way, in the link down below. You guys can go check them out. And they come in a 4-pack. And they're about $15 for a 4-pack. So $15 for this, you got yourself a sheet of plywood. You've got under $30, and you can be able to make yourself a nice little desk with that. So some cool stuff here. You can go to their website and see more creations and such at playwood.it. And again, we'll put all those links in a description so you too could build yourself kind of a neat little display just like this. We're at the National Hardware Show.